My son had a lingering cough after COVID. It went on for almost 2 years. Doctors tried puffers and steroids, but nothing worked. Then I found Lignosus, a natural lung support supplement. We decided to give it a try. First, it cleanses the airways, clearing out mucus and irritation. Then it rejuvenates and repairs damaged lung tissue. It strengthens lung immunity so the body fights better. And finally, it protects against future flare-ups. By week 8, his cough was gone, and now even colds clear up faster. Lignosus gave us natural, lasting lung support.